Hi guys, my name's Chimp and today we're going to be talking about this Rode microphone and how I fixed it. My friend gave me this in two pieces. He never used it, he had got a new one, and well, he says if I can fix it, I can use it and keep it. So what I did was I looked up the next best thing, YouTube. There were several different tutorials of how to fix it, and a lot of them seemed a lot of them seemed really amazing. Like one woman put Velcro on both sides and it worked really nice. Another guy put metal pins in, and I thought, well, I'm going to try the metal pins. So I looked around my house and I couldn't really find anything small enough that would go between the wee holes that I created. So then I found these. I found this little cable mount that sticks to the wall and keeps your cables against it very firm. But there's a little tiny pin right there and it can come out. So I thought that could use, but then I also found this. It's one of the wee pins that you can stick into your corkboards to keep up all your notes, and I really liked how thin that was. So I broke it up, took it straight off the mount, and I got given this little pin. And you can see it's tiny and thin enough to go in, and it's really strong. I mean, I can't bend it. So once I prepared two pins, I stuck them into the holes that I'd drilled, put glue, and I glued it together, and I left it for one day. Now it's fully dried and it's not breaking. It's stuck on, it's solid. Don't know if you can see the glue, but the metal pins have made it stronger than what it would have been like if I just glued it together, and it's back to normal. Now the only thing I need to test now is the audio itself. So let's move over to this on the camera mounted. Now that's everything done. The microphone is on top of the camera and it's working perfectly fine. And that's how I fixed my Rode microphone. Now thank you very much for watching. Hopefully this helped. If it did, let me know in the comments. If it doesn't, well, I tried. So anyway guys, as always, stay safe.